here and there some of our people like me or our Dicky members, we all have come up on our own, defying all the odds in the society. We could emerge as a successful businessman, and we all gathered and thought that. So there is a need to give the direction for the future generation so that the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people can take entrepreneurship as their profession. In the process, we all could emerge as a powerful organization in the country. Now, the Dicky is recognized by Government of India and all various state governments in almost all the states except Northeast region. With the involvement of the government, we are able to give the proper inputs to the government, and the Government of India has given a lot of schemes for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs. With the efforts of the Dicky, now the Government of India is implementing the procurement policy which was released in the 2012, in which 4% of the procurement from central government and the public sector undertakings is earmarked from to purchase from the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs. And there was a lot of gap in identifying the SC/ST entrepreneur, because it is very difficult to identify whether a particular person belongs to a scheduled caste or scheduled tribe. So that problem is being solved with the intervention of the Dicky now in all the public sector undertakings. So wherever there is a procurement, the many public sector undertakings are coming and approaching us, and we are connecting the people to the PSUs. In the same way, there are many scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs who are not much aware of the procurement policy of the Government of India. So that also being carried, and we are able to reach to all the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs across the country, by which before the connection to the PSUs by the Dicky, the procurement was very less, and now that has reached to 1%. That is a very, very small percent. Even the government stipulated 4%, they are unable to identify the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneur. So for that reason, the procurement percentage is very nominal, that is 1%. So now from April onwards, the policy is going to be a mandatory and compulsory procurement is stipulated by the Government of India. For that, now they are making efforts to identify the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs. So this expo will give an opportunity to identify the potential scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs who are into various businesses.